What's up, y'all? I'm playing Quake. Come watch me and as I burp. Those things are freaky, dude. You can't get me. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, get some nails. 9-inch nails. That's how big they're going in your chest. Oh, back up, buddy. You best back up. Back up slowly. Y'all better back up slowly. Y'all better back up slowly. Back up slowly. That was stupid. That was really stupid. You'd have messed me. Oh! Die already. That's right. Eat the grenade. I don't laugh like that. Trust me, I don't. What the heck? Man, you're weird. Back up, fool. You don't come at me, dude, and I'm gonna get on you. Yeah. Where is he? Yeah. I'll face him. Oh, back up, fool. You're gonna be doomed. Back up, fool. You're gonna be doomed to heck. Back up, fool. You are gonna be doomed. Back up, fool. I just died. Oh, well. Back up, fool. You're gonna be doomed. Back up, fool. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna waste. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna kill all these guys. I'm plotting against these demons. They're all demons, dude. Die already. That was not a good idea. That was a waste of grenades. Okay, I'm going to throw these at them. That was stupid. Real smart, Spencer. Back up, fool. You're gonna be doomed. Yeah. Ah, back up, fool. You're gonna be doomed. Back up. Back up, fool. You're gonna be doomed. Back up. Man, I keep getting attacked, punk. Yeah, you're gonna get smacked up. I don't give a dang a shiz. I don't give a dang a shiz about what you're saying, biatch. Back up, fool, or you're gonna be doomed. Back up. Back up, fool, or you're gonna be doomed. Wacko. Hey, wacko. Back up, doom, or you're gonna be doomed. And the doom. Back up, you can't even be doing what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm gonna go this way now. Gotta go the right way. Back up, dude, or you're gonna be doomed. Back up.
What's going on, people?
Who laughs like that, dude? Really?
I laugh like that, you a-hole.
I just got ripped to shreds. I just got ripped to shreds. I just got ripped to shreds. Oh! I just got ripped to shreds. I just got ripped to shreds. Where are they? Where are you? Coming after me? This guy got... Oh! Don't want to fight that bear. The guy's a bear. And he's not the bare minimum. Okay, what am I going to say when I get down there? Die. That's what I'm going to say. Die now, fiend, from all your addictions. Die with all your addictions! Whoa! He came out of nowhere when I said that. And this guy is right here. Okay, I got this. Do you guys see? Yeah, that was not good. That was not good whatsoever. I got attacked right when I dropped down there. Ow, that hurt. Boy, bloody. Oh, oh, you ain't killing me. No way, no way, no way. Oh! That really hurt. I don't deserve this. Owie, that was dumping. That was dumping. Okay, Okay, I'm not even trying. Sorry. I'm not even trying, dude. I'm not even using this weapon at this beginning. I don't even use this weapon at the beginning because it does damage to yourself. Oh, snap! Yeah, that's right. Get down, boy. Get down with the jiggy. Get down. Down, get down. Get down with the jiggy. Get down with the jigger. I messed up. Get down with the jiggly. No, don't get down with the jiggly. Get down with the jello. Get down with the jello. Come on, down with the jello. That doesn't make sense. Come on, get down with the jello. I am not envious as you are. So get that up here. Come on, let's go get down with the jello. No. No. I don't think so, dude. Watch this. Watch. He fiends for blood. He fiends for blood. I just got rocked. Keep in mind, this is on nightmare mode. Come on, get down with the jello. Let's go. Come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up. You others, get up. Come on, get down with the sickness. You mothers, get up. Come on, get down with the richness. Come on, get down with the thickness. Yes, you know what it is that I am saying. I'm talking about jello. So don't even tell me what to do. It should put a hole in him if you're that close, dude. Honestly, they didn't put too much work into this game. Sorry, but you didn't put much work into the details. This may be harder than it looks, dude, because come on, get down with the richness. Come on, get down with the richness. And you all can get out of my face, you sickos. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a peace pact with all my demons. I'm not going to kill them. Hi. That's pathetic! Oh, not looking the right way. Come on, let's get it. How many times do I have to die to even get in? I went the wrong way, that's why. You don't jump ahead. Yeah! And that's the truth. Now I'm pissed. You didn't put much detail in this game. What's up, Citrus? Huh? What are you doing down there? Huh?
What are you doing, buddy boy? What are you doing down there? Huh? What are you doing down there?
This can't be good. Okay, I'm about to die. I knew it, dude. I just knew my death was coming. Dude. I'm sick of this. Oh! Oh! I just got hit in the face with a grenade! Oh! That's what he sounds like. Oh! I just got scratched in the face by a fiend! Crack fiend! Get out of my way! Crack fiend! Get out of my way! Fudge! I'm not messing around anymore, dude. Done. Ugh. I'm going. Ow! Smash my head in the ceiling. Oh yeah! I got the silver kitty. It's he. I gotta get over you. Back here again. It's like, back here again? Yep, back here again. Oh, snap. That was crazy. This game is bloody, man. And then we got this asshole back here. Just eviscerated me, dude. Of course, right at the end, they die. Just kill him. Yeah, there you go. You just killed your buddy. Good job, you idiot. I'm still playing, dude. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna beat this level. It's on nightmare mode, dude. Get it right. Killing demons. You're not gonna kill me. You're not killing me, buddy. Ah. Okay, that was too close. That was way too close. Yeah, you better be down. Boy, you better stay down, too. Stay in hell. Just stay in hell. The way is lit. I'm so happy. See who wins. Yeah, the ogre won. Yeah, the chainsaw, so. I just killed myself, dude. I'm not even trying, that's why. Every time I get the rocket launcher out, tell me not to do that, because that's not what's gonna happen. It's gonna kill myself. It's gonna kill me. Put me in suicidal rage. Not. Why didn't push, boy? That made me twitch. I'm getting pissed, dude. Woo! I'm gonna release this either way. All right, I'm done. Yeah, buddy. Okay, hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna. Did you hear that? Oh, they died anyway. Trust me. Those ogres that killed me, they just died. Look at this. If you know Quake, you know what I'm talking about. All right, talk to you later, guys. They turned into guts. They turned into pieces of gore. Get it in your head. All right. I'm so happy I'm clean. Clean as in I am clean, Mr. Clean. Yeah, buddy, you better know. I been doing a lot of working out, and I just been focusing, dude. Just been focusing. So stay focused. And hope you all have a good day. Sorry I picked a violent game, but I'm going to give you part 2 in a sec. All right. See you later. Bye. Love you guys.